UMLA ka Amlarem ba alak men rumboy hakasingi baar ulabu Jingkieng ka sorkar ba Lano kan sya ba Kylli he kinla ban Iaid no na ka Jingkieng Umiam ban poi sa Shillong. Haba jubab halor kani ka Jingkieng usumbut menteri rang ba pet ya katenat PWD ba prestun tensong ulaong ba hadin ka jingbishar bania kilarai ban sya tang ya Kylli ba jerong hapo R. Prapomitar ba hapo khandai ton ka Jingkieng ban Iaid leng ba kate ka Jingkieng. Wilayah tu rubah mentah kejimpen krek ya ka detail project report na kebentah banshna ya ka surok 4 lane na barapani sa Shillong da ka NHIDCL kadang Iaid.
Speaker sir, I just want to know that it's not that by restricting due to this week of this bridge that the big vehicle could not come transport the goods Shillong. Do it affect the price of the communities in Shillong or not?
Yes, sir, it is. That's why now a number of initiatives is being taken up by the government. Sir, number one, in fact, we are about to complete the one project. One VIP road which is under construction, and the total length of this road is about 23 kilometers connecting to Umroi Airport. Of this project is more or less to be completed by the end of this year, and once this is completed, because this road is intermediate lane approach, and once this is completed, sir, I'm very sure like night super and even the heavy trucks can fly through this new approach road which we already under construction and to be completed within this year. So this is one part, and then the second one is even the other initiative that we have taken. In fact, we do have even that road Maudiang, which connects again the Shillong bypass. Though the distance is little more, but people can even use that approach coming to Shillong or going out of Shillong to prevent of going through the Umiam bridge.
So I'm very glad with the initiative of the government that it will try to get, because as of now, sir, we know the distance from here to Umiam is only about 20 kilometers, but as of now, sir, the people who transport the goods from outside the state, wide side, they have to pass travel 80 kilometers to reach Shillong, because from Umiam to Maurungkeneng is 50 kilometers, and from Maurungkeneng to here is 30 kilometers, it's 80 kilometers. This brought a hardship to the people. It's time consuming. More importantly, it costs for the economic activities of the people, because the goods which was supposed to sell at 10 rupees, due to the extra cost borne by the transporter, they sell at 11 rupees, so on and so forth. So I request the government to kindly look into this so that as early as possible, so that it will ease the consumer of the state, because Shillong is the economic hub of the state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much, sir.